Okay, well, we're a little safer than normal. Not by much. So I got this thing, which is supposed to, well, it's kind of like a small car lift, right? But you use your existing jack, floor jack, to do some things, and it seems to have some good uses. It's not made out of the thickest tube here that I would, you know, trust hanging a car on. The problem is like the supplied garbage nickel bolt here immediately stripped as it flexed against here. You know, just by design with any kind of jack like this, as this goes up, of course, you know, it's kind of going like this. This has to go forward. That's why you need a good flat, hard, i.e. concrete surface. But I mean, it doesn't take much with the weight of a vehicle, you know, a little pebble or something, a little piece of sand, in this case this piece of cardboard, stopped it from moving forward a little bit. And just strip the bolt out just immediately. So garbage engineering. Thanks, guys. I'll link I'll put a link to this particular product. See what you guys think. It still has some uses for me, but it's not built very well. Alright, piss poor engineering is piss poor. Okay, so in order to get the starter out, you got to hang it by the wires, because the connector, you know, the release up here, the clip is on the top. You can't see it or feel it or touch it, so you have no idea what kind of construction it is in order to get it off. There's a bracket that I took off here that literally the expansion pipe is in the way of. You gotta like, I'm trying to get this off, and of course every video I see, you go, well, you just take these three bolts, or these two bolts off, there's one hiding up there somewhere, and then loosen this one, and this just slides off. Well, I guess they cut the whole goddamn expansion pipe out in order to do so. You know, it's stupid shit engineering like this is why I will never buy an American car again. It's because like how hard would it have been to make that will come out? You know, it's not like people got to work on shit or anything. It's not like stuff breaks or wears out because it's all made out of cheap Chinese garbage. The whole wiring harness here is screwed up because they used the cheapest plastic possible for all of the wire looms, and everything's falling apart. This should be where most of the oil leaks are coming from. Let's get... So ultimately, we're replacing a third starter for this, because when these get hot, they're sitting right next to that expansion pipe and they don't work. Got a new pigtail, just because. But what I'm trying to get to is to replace this O-ring, or this seal here, to stop the massive oil leaks. Applying electrical tape in a tight area where you can't get the roll to go around whatever it is you're doing. Thread a bunch onto a little stick.